What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a change in which one or more substances reacts to form new substances with entirely different properties. What is a chemical equation? The symbolic representation of a chemical reaction is chemical equation. The following observations help us to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place. 1. Change in state. 2. Change in color. 3. Evolution of a gas. 4. Change in temperature. Writing a chemical equation, the arrowhead points towards the products and shows the direction of the reaction. Why to balance chemical equation? The balancing of chemical equation is based on law of conservation of mass. According to the law of conservation of mass, mass cannot be created nor be destroyed in the same way. The number of atoms of each element remains the same before and after a chemical reaction. The method used for balancing chemical equations is called hit and trial method. Demerits or limitation of chemical equation are: 1. Color is not mentioned. 2. State is not mentioned, i.e. solid, liquid and gas. 3. Condition is not mentioned, i.e. pressure, light, catalyst, etc. Types of chemical reaction: 1. Combination reaction. 2. Decomposition reaction. 3. Displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. B. Single displacement reaction. 4. Exothermic reaction. 5. Endothermic reaction. 6. Percipitation reaction. A reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product is called combination reaction. A reaction in which single reactant breaks down to form two or more products is known as decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition. Example: Note: decomposition reaction require energy either in the form of heat, light, or electricity for breaking down of reactants. 3. Displacement reaction. A. Single displacement. In displacement reactions, a more active element displaces a less active element from its compound. Example in next slide. Double displacement reaction. In double displacement reactions, two different atoms or groups of atoms are exchanged. Reactions in which heat are evolved, such reaction is called exothermic reaction. Example 1. Endothermic reaction. Reactions in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reaction. Oxidation, the process of addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen from a substance or losing of electrons. Reduction, the process in which oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added or gaining of electron. Redox reaction, the reactions in which oxidation and reduction took place simultaneously are called redox reaction. Reactions in everyday life. Corrosion, damaging effect of metals by humidity, chemical, air, etc. The corrosion of iron is called rusting. Photo in the next slide. Effects of corrosion. 1. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridges, iron and all thing made of metal. Measures that can be taken to prevent corrosion are: 1. Painting the metal that stop oxidation. 2. Galvanization and greasing of metal. Rancidity, the process of slow oxidation of oils and fats present in the food materials result in change of smell and taste. Measures that can be taken to prevent rancidity are: 1. Keep the food in airtight container and store in refrigerator. 2. Use antioxidants such as vinegar. Food items like potato wafers in packet containing nitrogen gas. 4. Cover the food. Percipitation reaction, the reaction in which two compounds combine together to form one insoluble substance is called precipitation reaction.